Hello and welcome to this course. In this section, I'm going to cover how to download Java into your Windows machines. To download with Java, you need to go to this particular link, https://www.oracle.com/java/technologies/downloads. Once you hit enter, it will take you to that page. Here you can choose depending on the version of the Java you need to download. Currently, I'm going to download Java 18. Select the Windows installer here, and I will select the exe file or 64-bit compressed archive, anything out of this one. Wait till this download happens and double click on this installer to begin the installation. Now I double clicked on this installer I have downloaded from internet. You can just go through this wizard with the default settings. It will install the Java in your machine. Currently, I already have a previous version of Java installed on my machine. So it may take a while to update everything. Currently, I'm installing Java 18.0.1. So it says a message saying Java 18.0.1 is successfully installed. By default, the Java installer adds the Java path to your local machine path. To test whether Java is installed properly or not, you can go to run command by pressing Windows R command on your keyboard, type cmd and open it. Here you can say Java hyphen version. This will print the current version of the Java we have installed just now. In case your command prompt do not display this data, you need to enter this variable into your environment variables. To edit the environment variables, you can either go to the edit environment variables from here, and add a new variable called Java home by entering the path of the installation that you just installed the Java into. Usually it will be to the program files. JDK home would be Java home, like this. And for running the Java applications, you need the application JRE. Can add this path to your system path. Instead of adding this one, convention. If there are any command prompts open after this operation, you need to close them and reopen again to see the effect of these changes. Hoping once you run the Java -version command, you see the right version of the Java installed on your machine. You can assume that the Java installation went fine. And adding the Java home and the JRE home is not mandatory in case installer has not done it. Thank you.